seconds. While this preview of coming attractions is playing, will all filmgoers with any degree of wit, taste, and intelligence please keep your critical remarks to yourselves, or we'll nail your tongues to the floor. Thank you.
Not willing to beg. Yeah, oh yeah. Feel it. Not willing to beg. They say get up and go. Step up, get up. Feel the flow. There's just enough space for me to be guided. Glorify, I know this mic is on. At all costs, don't let this love die. Learn to fly. To do the work, a bit of movement is required. Take you higher. Glorify, I know just where to go. Avoid the broad strokes of Plato. Listen to the global language. Love, show your love. Elevate yourself to love. You know who and where to go. Step up, get up. Make yourself at home. I'm gonna live a life of love. Pay my dues, not in violence. I'm gonna say it twice. I live a life of love. The landlord said to the tenant, step up, get up. The circle is full. We are not owners of the earth. This is not all we have. Better things will come permanently. You know we are one to adore. I just got to give 100%. You asked for it, now you know my name.